Good morning, my present here. This is Dhruva Shrikant, and today I'm going to talk about a famous personality. I'm not going to tell the name of the famous personality which I'm going to talk about. You guys have to guess the name of the famous personality. I'm just going to give you some clues and you have to guess it. This famous person was an Indian independence activist, a professor, a lawyer, a generalist, scholar, and the first president of India. Yes, it's none other than Dr. Rajendra Prasad Babu, who born in 3rd December 1884 and lived until 28th February 1963. Dr. Rajendra Prasad's father name was Mahadev Sahai and his mother's name was Kamaleshwari Devi. He was the youngest child in his family and had one elder brother and 3 elder sisters. At the age of 12, in June 1896, he was married to Rajeshwari Devi at the early age of 12. He died on 28th February 1617 in Patna due to a heart attack. After completing his traditional elementary school or education, he was sent to Cherpa district school, then went to study at T.K. Ghosh's Academy in Patna. Actually, he joined as a science student to the school, actually college. But then he changed his mind and went in the way of arts and study of arts. As a student, he impressed people with his knowledge and talents and intelligence. That time, once an examiner wrote on Dr. Rajendra Prasad's answer sheet, he wrote as examinee is better than examiner. He had sworn in Food Agriculture Minister of India in September 1946. He was the first and longest serving president of India with a tenure around of 12 years from the year 1950 to 1962. Yeah. As a teacher, he served in various educational institutes as a teacher. After completing his MA in economics, he became a professor of English. Then he went to a college in Muzaffarpur in Bihar and went on to become the principal of that college. However, later he left the college to undertake legal studies and enter the Ripon College in Calcutta. In 1909, while pursuing his law studies, in Kolkata, he also worked as a professor in economics at Kolkata City College. As an author, he wrote many books. These are some of his books. As a lawyer, in 1915, Dr. Rajendra Prasad appeared in the examination of Master in Law from the Department of Law, University in Calcutta. Prasad the examination and won. Dr. Rajendra Prasad passed the exam and he won a gold medal. He completed his doctorate in law from Allahabad University in 1916. He joined the High Court of Bihar and Odisha. In 1917, he was appointed as one of the first members of Senate and Syndicate of the Patna University. He also practiced law at Bhagalpur, the famous silk town in Bihar. Role in independence movement. He responded to the call by Gandhi to boycott Western educational establishments. His son, Dr. Rajendra Prasad's son, was studying in a college which was ruled by British. So Dr. Rajendra Prasad asked his son to quit the college which was ruled by British and join the college which was ruled by Indians. He was elected as the president of Indian National Congress during the Bombay session in October 1934. He again became the president when Subhash Chandra Bose resigned in 1939. On 17 November 1947, he became Congress president for a third time after G.B. Kiripalani submitted his resignation. 2.5 years after independence, on 26 January 1950, the Constitution of Independent India was ratified, and he was elected the nation's first president. He acted independently of politics, following the expected role of president as required the Constitution. In 1962, after serving 12 years as the president, he announced his decision to retire. His awards and honors. He secured the first in entrance examination to the University of Calcutta and was awarded ₹30 per month as a scholarship. In 1962, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was awarded the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India. He was referred as the Desh Ratna, or the jewel of the country. Sarojini Naidu. He was to Gandhi what John was to Christ. Nehru. He was the symbol of Bharat and found truth looking at you through those eyes. His famous and favorite thought was, जो बात सिद्धांत में गलत है, वह बात व्यवहार में भी सही नहीं है. Meaning of this thought is, what is wrong in theory is also not true in practice. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends, like and comment, click the bell icon, and please don't forget to subscribe my videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.